6 cubits wide and 60 tall. The herald said, people, when the trumpet sounds, you better fall down and worship him on the ground. The king's got power and he ain't no fool, and if you go against his wishes, that ain't cool. So beware, take care, now do what I say, or we'll throw you in the furnace this very day. Fire furnace, oh Lord, fire furnace, good God, fire furnace, oh Lord.